If your printer is showing supply system problem, suddenly it shows just to replace the ink cartridges and you found this problem, how to hard reset HP OfficeJet Pro 7740. Today I will teach you just in this condition. First of all, remove the power for 3 minutes and check again if the error has been solved, or you can factory reset or you can upgrade the firmware. If nothing will happen and the still the same problem remains, then open the front door and here is arrow button. You have to press 4 times. It's not appeared, but here is arrow button. You have to press 4 times. It's appeared support menu. After pressing 4 times, back arrow button, go to support menu and then information menu, resets menu, press OK. Country language reset, partial reset, semi full reset. We will do semi full reset, press OK. Printer will shut down automatically and will turn back on again. Before I told you to open the front door, and you must remove the cartridges and then open the front door, and then you have to press 4 times this back arrow button and it will appear a sports menu that is hidden sometimes. It's turned off, press the power button, turn back on. Actually, this is a hard reset and it will clear all memories counter from the formatter board. So hopefully the supply system problem will be resolved. It's asking me to configure again, language English, confirm, select your region according to your Saudi Arabia, date according to your number, continue, use the cartridge that is in the printer. So we will insert back the cartridges. Checking the printer, please wait. Okay, it's asking me load a newspaper, will press OK. Alignment in progress. You can see there is no more supply system error and printer is printing alignment page. So let me print and we'll see there's no error message on the screen right now. It's printed the alignment page. I will scan it. You can see alignment successful. It is not now calibrated for the best print quality. Press OK. Wireless. Searching the wireless router. You can connect it later also. No need to connect now. I will go back. Connect later. Next. Notify. Save. Continue. Home. Personal use. Continue. Okay. Thank you for choosing HP, and you can see there is no more supply system problem. Printer is working fine.